Now there's a particular part of this pattern that I want to walk you through in a little bit more detail, and that is the symbol chart. The symbol chart for this pattern and for any pattern conveys exactly the same information in instructions as the text instructions. So it doesn't give you the yarn information, but it shows you exactly how to make the object. It just tells you in symbols rather than in words. So let's take a look at the symbol diagram, and I want to just walk you through it. Here's one of the reasons that I love symbol diagrams is that each symbol on that chart represents an actual stitch in what you're making. So you can even pull up the blanket you've already started and you can see that along the very bottom, there are all of these ovals. Those represent chains. And for each oval was an actual foundation chain that you started out with in your project, okay? And then when you start with row 1, you can see here, row 1, you're going to work into that chain, skipping the first 3 chains there, and then you'll work this way, if you're right-handed, up to the peak, down to the valleys, okay? Now, take a look at the key. There's a key included as well with your class materials, and the key is like the legend for this chart. Now you'll see there are a lot of symbols on this legend, on the key, that are not represented in the chart for the baby blanket. That's because included in this key are all of the symbols that are included even in the other patterns that are included with your class materials. But let's pull out double crochet, chain, and double crochet 2 together. And you can find these on the chart. So here is your decrease of double crochet 2 together and double crochet 2 together. What's also nifty about these charts is that they show you that the actual fabric you're making is shaped like a zigzag. So it's pretty great. If you find text instructions confusing, I urge you to look at the symbol chart. If you find the symbol chart confusing, I urge you to look at the text instructions. And if you'd like to get a better feel for either, use them both together because they convey the same information just in totally different ways.